Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the cargo barricade for the Honda Talon from Tusk. All right everyone, thanks for checking in. Today we're giving you a quick look at this cargo barricade from Tusk for the Honda Talon. This is what we say a must-have accessory if you're planning to use the back of your machine for hauling cargo. You know, these machines right off the factory floor, they don't have any sort of barricade, so unless you have your gear, very secure, there's a chance that it could fall out of the back. So that's why you want to have one of these, just to give that peace of mind. Also, once you can see once it's installed, it gives you additional tie-down points to help secure your gear. How this is constructed is 1 1/4 inch powder-coated steel tubing, so very high quality. I think it gives a nice, cool look to the back of the machine as well. And one awesome aspect about this is the mounting. It uses all your factory locations you already have, so there's no drilling, no modifications required. All the mounting hardware comes included. So to mount this up honestly doesn't take very long at all. And once you have it mounted up, like I said, cool look to the back of your machine, prevent your gear from falling out, and you have additional tie-down points to secure your stuff. So if you have questions or comments about the cargo barricade, well, leave those below, we'll get those answered. To pick one up, just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. You just enter the make, the model, and the year of your machine, and that's gonna allow you to get the proper fitment. And as you can see from the looks of this Talon, we have a lot of other great accessories built for it. So to see all the parts and accessories that we carry for the Honda Talon, if you're on our homepage, just enter the make, the model, and the year, and that's gonna allow you to see those. Orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Get subscribed. That way you stay up to date on the latest product spotlights, machine builds, first impressions that we're constantly filming. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.